Ollama versus LM Studio, which local AI is better? So if you're into running AI models locally, the names you've probably seen are Ollama and LM Studio. Both let you chat with large language models offline, but they do it very differently. So let's compare their setup, performance, model compatibility, and everyday usability to see which one's better for you. Okay, so starting with setup. So Ollama is all about simplicity. Once installed, you can pull models like Llama 3, Mistral, Phi 3 or Gemma with a single terminal command. It's lightweight and works on Windows, macOS and Linux. And LM Studio, on the other hand, gives you a visual interface. Instead of using command lines, you can browse, download and run models through a clean UI. It also supports automatic GGUF model detection, making it perfect for people who prefer a plug-and-play experience without any manual commands. If you're a developer or power user, Ollama feels faster and cleaner to manage. But for beginners or visual learners, LM Studio wins for ease of use. Alright, now model support and performance. So both of them use GGUF models, meaning they rely on the same quantized model files optimized for local interface. So Ollama tends to perform slightly faster on CPU and GPU acceleration thanks to better backend optimization using Metal on macOS and CUDA on Windows or Linux. It's efficient for running multiple sessions or integrating with tools like LangChain or OpenWebUI. And LM Studio, however, shines in flexibility. You can load models from Hugging Face, adjust quantization levels, and monitor real-time GPU and VRAM usage right from the interface. It might use a bit more memory, but it gives you more control over model settings. So in short, Ollama is more performance focused, while LM Studio prioritizes transparency and customization. Now, integration and ecosystem. So Ollama's biggest advantage is integration. It's developer friendly, offering a local API endpoint that apps can connect to. You can plug it into VS Code, Obsidian, or even custom AI dashboards. It's perfect if you're building your own AI tools or automations. LM Studio is more standalone. It's designed primarily for chatting and testing models locally, though it now includes an API similar to Ollama's. But overall, it's more of a desktop app than a developer toolkit. So if you're creating workflows or local assistants, Ollama is easier to integrate. If you just want a personal chatbot or testing sandbox, LM Studio is more approachable. Now, interface and usability. So this one's clear-cut. LM Studio offers a full chat interface, history management, and even model comparison tabs. You can switch between models instantly and see how different ones respond. And Ollama does not have a built-in UI. You'll need a front end like OpenWebUI or Chatbot UI to get that visual chat experience that adds flexibility but also extra setup. So for usability, LM Studio wins out of the box, while Ollama requires a bit more customization but integrates better long term. Okay, and let's make a verdict now. So if you want something simple, visual and ready to use, go with LM Studio. It's the best choice for local AI beginners. If you're more technical and want to build or integrate models into other tools, Ollama is more powerful and efficient. Both are fantastic, and the good news is you can even use them both and combining them for the best of both worlds. So the real choice depends on your workflow. LM Studio for chatting and testing, Ollama for development and performance. Either way, both make it easier than ever to run advanced AI models locally without sending data to the cloud. Now, if you've tested both, let me know in the comments which feels smoother for your setup. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.